Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have found the problem. Harrison and I pulled the engine out. It was pretty straightforward, came out really nice and easy. This was the cylinder that was making the noise, specifically from this lifter. If you look closely, this lifter is all galled up, but the roller still rolls. It's just weirdly deformed. And if you look inside the bore, I don't know if you can see in there, but let's rotate the cam. On the rising edge of the cam, there's a big gouge mark. And then in the piston, right there, you can see where a valve has contacted the piston head. Another thing I noticed, these actual pistons, I don't know if you can see that, but they're sloppy. They're really sloppy in the bore there. So I don't know if, I mean, this engine only has maybe 10,000 miles on it, and that seems like a lot of play. Maybe they're not the correct pistons. So who knows? I'm going to take it to the machine shop and ask them, because I don't want to mess it up. Alright, thanks for watching.